Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will learn how a lender can upload any documents after they have submitted an appraisal order. I will guide you through each step to do so. Currently, we are logged in as a lender Neil Armstrong, and I am on the appraisal orders page. So first of all, we need to select the appraisal order that we need to upload the document, any kind of documents for that particular appraisal order. So I have selected this, and as you can see now, I have been navigated to that particular appraisal order's detail page, that is the overview page. To upload the documents, we need to move towards the documents tab, and over here I can upload any type of document. So for the type of document that you're going to upload, you need to select this and you have to define which type of document you're going to upload. Either it's an invoice, it's a contract, it's a supporting document. If not in the list, you can select the other button as well and and you can upload the document over here. So I'm just going to upload invoice. Okay, now I have uploaded a document and just gonna click on this upload button. It will take some few seconds and then it will prompt a successful message, or if it's not successfully uploaded, so it will prompt that it's not uploaded. So now the document has been uploaded. So you can either even download any of these. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.